Hello and welcome to our Arduino Tech Update video. Today we are presenting you Arduino 7.9. So let's have a look on the changes and the new features we got for you in Arduino 7.9. First of all, Arduino now comes with a unified all hosts page, merging the old all hosts page and the old content hosts page into one overview. It replaces the all hosts page while the content hosts page has been removed. With this, users do not need to switch between those two overviews. The host details pages were already unified some time ago. The new unified overview offers the bulk actions which were previously available in both pages. Also, the page has a modernized look. For those who prefer to have the overview dense with information, a compact mode can be enabled in the user profile. But let's have a look on our demo Arduino to see how it looks like now. So, welcome to our demo Arduino. Here you can see how the all hosts page looked like before, and here how it looks now. You see everything has been reformatted, looking smoother, more modern, and all the information still is there. In case you prefer to have a more condensed view, you can do the following. You go to your account name, you click on it, and you click on My Account. You click on UI Preferences, and you check the box Compact Table Mode and Submit. And this is the new All Hosts page in compact mode. You can see here all the same information as before, just everything is a slightly bit denser and easier readable. Let's have a look on all the bulk actions. Where did they go? Let's select two kinds of hosts. When selecting a job, you can just send the same commands, the same jobs to VMs as you can do on the details host page. If you need to do something else, more central, you can again mark them. You go to the three dots right here. Now you can actually trigger a rebuild, you can disassociate hosts, you can change the power state, create snapshots, you can configure Puppet, content. This is coming actually from the content host page. You can see here, you can change subscriptions, you can actually trigger package installation or errata, and last but not least, you still can delete hosts. Next, Arduino 7.9 is now introducing full support for multiple content views per host. While multiple content views per host have already been available as a tech preview since Arduino 7.2 and only configurable via API or Hammer, now it is also fully available in the UI. So, activation keys and host environments can now contain more than one content view. With this, more flexible models of release management are possible. For example, it allows you to mix version content via content views while still having some repositories from a rolling content view to have the latest synchronized content available. We are back on our demo Arduino. Let's have a look on how to assign multiple content views to a host. Let's have a look on how an activation key looked before. Let's have a look on the standard test key for ARM Linux 10. So you can see here the normal basic information, name, content view, lifecycle environment. Now let's create a new key, create activation key. You can provide here a name, and if I click here on assign, you can start selecting the lifecycle environment and a content view and just accumulate several content views. So let's have a look on an activation key we already prepared for that. So let's have a look on the ARMA 10 key for multi-content views. So here with one MCV, you see here the name, and you see here all the different content view environments. Starting with Linux 10, Linux Client 10, running EPEL for EL10, Salt, and OpenBox. You can see here that most content comes from staged content views in the library. Just EPEL comes from a rolling content view, always being latest greatest. Now we can have a look on repository sets, and you see here everything looks like it looked before. Also in Arduino 7.9, Ubuntu architecture variant AMD 64 v3 is now supported for Ubuntu 26.04. The architecture variant provides optimized packages for supported CPUs and automatically falls back to standard AMD 64 packages where no optimized package is available. To consume architecture variant repositories, the variant must be enabled both in a repository configuration and on the host. This can be configured during provisioning or applied later using a remote execution job. Further, audit events shown in the UI under Monitor Audits can now be logged in structured JSON format and separated into an audit JSON file for external processing, while all regular log messages continue to be written to production log. This makes it easier to forward audit events to external systems just as SIEM, log management, or compliance tools. The structured JSON format allows administrators to search, filter, and correlate audit data automatically and improve compliance reporting. And last but not least, with Windows 7.9, we are presenting a new tech preview, the Ansible Director plugin. It improves to run and manage Ansible content on managed hosts. It supports both Ansible roles and collections and allows content to be managed through lifecycles and assigned to environments. Ansible content can be imported directly from Git repositories in Ansible Galaxy and can be managed via the orcharhino management UI. This simplifies the maintenance and promotion of Ansible content. To avoid dependencies on the Ansible and Python versions provided by the operating system, Ansible Director uses execution environments. These provide isolated runtime environments and allow the use of different Ansible versions. Ansible content and execution environments are assigned to organizations, ensuring strict separation between organizations and preventing them from affecting each other's Ansible environment. The Ansible Director plugin in Orcharhino 7.9 provides more flexible Ansible automation, easier content management, and a more reliable way to promote configurations across stages such as development, test, and production. We will provide an extended demonstration of the Ansible Director plugin in a separate video. I hope you enjoyed all the new features of Orcharhino 7.9 and hope to see you the next time again. Have a nice day and bye!